Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 7. Students, open your books, page number 8. Remember and understand. Write true or false if you think that a statement is false, correct it. Here are some statements you can write true or false. If you think the statement is false, so you can correct it. First one is, in breathing oxygen is given out. So which gas is given out? It's false because carbon dioxide is given out. You can underline oxygen and write here carbon dioxide. Correct statement is, in breathing carbon dioxide is given out. Second one, in respiration energy stored in glucose is released. Yeah, in respiration there is oxidation of glucose and the energy is released in respiration process. So this statement is correct. You can tick mark here. In second statement, it's correct. Third one, the diaphragm protects the lungs and the heart. Actually, the diaphragm separates the lungs and the heart. It cannot protect it because there is an outer covering of heart. So it can protect the heart, outer bones. But the diaphragm separates the lungs and the heart. You can underline the word protects. Right here, separate. Separate. Fourth one, lungs have air sacs which are called alveoli. Yeah, it's correct. Lungs have air sac which is known as alveoli. Fifth one, the windpipe is also called branch. It's not also called branch. It's called trachea. So you can underline branch and write trachea. Trachea. Come to the next topic, respiratory disease. Respiratory disease means those disease which is caused by smoking or which occurs in respiratory system. Smoking causes lung cancer which kills millions of people every year. Now, smoking is main cause of respiratory disease. Due to smoking, millions of people kills every year. First one is cancer. Cancer is a disease in which the cells start to divide rapidly until they get out of control. Now, in cancer, the cells start to divide rapidly. Its division start fastly and until they get out of control, and they divide fastly, so they will get out of control. Lung cancer can produce a growth so big that it blocks a bronchus, making breathing difficulty. Now lung cancers also blocks the bronchus, so it can make difficulty in breathing. Next disease is emphysema. Emphysema is a lung condition in which the walls of the alveoli become thin and weak. Now in this disease, the walls of alveoli become thin and weak. Then eventually break down, leaving large empty spaces in the lungs so that breathing becomes painful and difficult. When the walls of alveoli become thin and weak, they break down. When they break down, the empty spaces in the lungs leave, so that breathing is very painful and difficult. This is usually caused by heavy smoking. The main cause of emphysema is due to heavy smoking. Next topic is asthma. Air is a mixture of different gases, dust particles, smoke and pollens. When the particles of dust, smoke or pollens enter the lungs, they irritate the muscles of the bronchioles, due to which the bronchioles become narrow narrower, so less air is able to enter the lungs. This causes problems in breathing and people suffer from asthma. Now, air is a mixture of different gases. It contains dust particles. These dust particles, smoke, can enter into the lungs that irritate our bronchioles, which is present inside our lungs, due to which bronchioles become narrower, so less air is able to enter the lungs. This causes problem in breathing and people suffer from asthma. Asthma is a disease commonly found in almost every society due to air pollution. This disease is mostly caused by air pollution and it's almost occur in every society. To overcome this condition, patients are given oxygen through oxygen cylinder. Now, due to asthma, the patients are given oxygen through oxygen cylinder. They can also use sprays for taking oxygen or for take relief from asthma. Asthmatic patients use inhaler more frequently. Inhalers, it's a name of a sprays. So these inhalers more frequently, which contain medicines that prevent dust particle and other impurities from irritating the bronchioles. These inhalers protect them or prevent them from dust particles or other impurities which irritate the bronchioles. Bronchitis is inflammation of the air passages in the lungs. This reduces the ability of the lungs to absorb oxygen. This disease is usually caused by bacteria, but smoking makes this condition worse. Now, bronchitis, it's actually inflammation of air passages in the lungs. To reduce the ability of the lungs to absorb oxygen, this disease is mostly caused by bacteria. This bronchitis or inflammation of air passages in the lungs is caused by bacteria, but smoking makes this condition worse. Smoking makes this condition more critical. It's enough for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.